Good afternoon. This is Eleanor Duvetter, a meteorologist with the National Weather Service in El Paso, Texas. And we have a weather system that is currently moving through the area and will continue to impact the region through today, tonight, and into early Tuesday morning. And we're going to tell you a little bit more about this weather system and what to expect. So currently, as of 1 p.m., this is the radar and surface temperatures. You can see we have a nice band of snow and rain mix over the Gila region, and it is moving towards the east. So this is going to be defining vaguely our cold front associated with a stronger Pacific system that's moving through. And you can see we have some colder temperatures behind this and warmer temperatures in front of this. So this front will continue to track again towards the east-southeast across our area tonight and into the later evening hours. We are getting some stronger winds ahead of this front, and a lot of you, I'm probably sure, have been seeing the blowing dust and the stronger winds around the area, but we will continue to see those gusty winds then through the evening as well, especially as the front is moving through. It is currently snowing up in the Silver City area. You can see the webcam image right there, looping through some snowfall. So it is cold enough in the Gila for snow, and that snow will continue into the evening hours tonight. This is current satellite as of 1 p.m. and you can see again just the nice band of precipitation moving across the area along that frontal boundary. So as far as our winter events that we're expecting, because this is a stronger Pacific system that is moving through our area, precip is expected to continue eastward tonight along the cold front as it treks through our area. Snow levels will start at 6,500 feet, that's kind of where they are now, and behind the cold front they're going to fall to around 4,000 feet as again that front passages and that cooler air settles in. Snow will then continue to fall in the New Mexico Boot Heel and Gila region behind the cold front tonight. As that front passes through the other regions, it'll be light rain for most of the lowland areas, and as it moves on, that rain will kind of diminish as it continues out of the area. But again, the Boot Heel and Gila region will hold on to that snow. Flurries to light snow is possible from midnight to sunrise in the lower elevations behind the front, especially in Grant, Hidalgo, Luna, and Doña Ana counties. The Gila region and Boot Heel, we will see heavy snow, that is likely. There is some moderate snow with heavy snow chances in the Sacramento Mountains, especially on the west slope and ridge tops. And flurries are going to be likely for locations below 5,500 feet with light accumulations west of the Rio Grande Valley. Some uncertainties with this forecast. There are always some. So the timing of the snow we have pretty high confidence of. Models have been pretty consistent with when this front is moving through, as well as a second shot of precip behind it. Snow amounts we have moderate confidence on. So behind this initial push of the cold front, we have a second round of precip early Tuesday morning, and it's been poorly modeled until the past 24 hours. So we do have some uncertainty with the actual amounts that we'll see with this additional burst of snow. So most likely, though, we will see an additional 2 to 5 inches above 5,000 feet for the New Mexico Boot Heel. Flurries at and below 5,000 feet will be likely, with light accumulations and light defined as less than a half inch west of the Rio Grande Valley. Temperatures we do have high confidence on. This is a stronger Pacific system, so it'll really usher in some colder air behind it. As far as the timing of the event, so this afternoon and evening, the gusts will continue. We'll see some light rain and snow showers as that front moves across. Snow levels are around 6,500 feet, as well as the gusty winds will continue. Moderate snow in the Gila region and Sacramento Mountains, again, as that front passes through. Tonight, snow will continue in the higher terrain, especially in the New Mexico Boot Heel and Gila region, and light snow will fall over lowland areas west of the Continental Divide. Gusty west winds will lighten from east to west, becoming breezy by midnight, and that's important. The breezy winds will continue through. They won't be gusty, but they'll be slightly breezy. Temperatures quickly drop after midnight for lowland areas as well. Tuesday early morning, midnight to around 6 a.m., moderate snow continues in the New Mexico Boot Heel, with snow showers becoming lighter in the Gila region and Sacramento Mountains. Light flurries become possible over the lowland locations in Grant, Hidalgo, Luna, and Doña Ana counties, and colder temperatures do settle in. Tuesday late morning, a few flurries, but mainly dry. We do dry out going into Tuesday. Cooler and cold temperatures for a lot of the area behind that system, and northwest winds will begin to become gusty in the afternoon hours on Tuesday. Not as gusty as today, though. So as far as our headlines and our products we have out, there is a wind advisory currently out for most of the lower elevation areas and even the higher elevation areas of the Gila region, except for this area near Mule Creek and northeast or northwest of Silver City. We do have a high wind warning over the Sacramento Mountains. Both of these products will expire at 11 p.m., but winds will remain gusty through the overnight hours tonight. I'm sorry, not gusty, they'll remain breezy through the overnight hours tonight. Winter headlines, we do have some winter weather advisories highlighted in the purple here. You can see they're usually the foothills or the east slopes of some of these higher terrain areas, as well as some of the lower elevations west of the Continental Divide. And these products will go through Tuesday morning. We do also have winter storm warnings out for the ridgetop areas of the Sacramento Mountains and the west slopes. That winter storm warning will go until 5 a.m. We also have two other winter storm warnings, one out for the higher terrain of the Gila region and one for the higher terrain of the New Mexico boot heel. Those will go through 11 a.m. on Tuesday morning. We are expecting snow, and this is the map of all the amounts that we are expecting. So you can see we have around 3 to 4 inches for some of the foothill areas of the Gila region and New Mexico boot heel, as well as the Sacramento Mountains, so some of our higher terrain areas. And then getting above some of that foothill area into the highest elevations, we're expecting anywhere from 6 or above. So you can see we start to really accumulate some snow getting into those higher elevation areas. Also, we are expecting some light accumulations here in Luna County and southwest Doñana County. This is an area of uncertainty, though, as again, with that second push of precip, we're just not sure where snow will be able to accumulate and stick. So a lot of other things play in besides the weather, like surface temperatures, and some other things as how fast the cold air can get in and settle. So there is uncertainty with the actual amounts, but it's better chances of accumulation here versus just seeing more flurries in kind of the Rio Grande area and Hudspeth County. We also are uncertain a little bit with the amounts in the Sacramento Mountains, just because that second push could miss the Sacramento Mountains. So we will keep you updated on with the latest model guidance on how that plays out. And this is liquid storm total precipitation, so you can see the inch amounts in liquid form. This is the probability of snow chances, so you can see the image on the left, potential of snow amounts greater than 1/10 of an inch. This is just showing where accumulations are likely. So you can see we do have chances of accumulations again for those areas in Luna and Doñana County, of those lower elevation areas there. And then potential for snow amounts greater than 1 inch. You can see we are kind of highlighting areas a little bit in the higher terrain and west of the Continental Divide for those higher accumulation areas of 1 inch or greater. Tuesday morning lows and wind chill values. So I did mention that we're going to remain breezy overnight. We are seeing that cold air move in pretty quickly, so temperatures this morning will drop, and you can see around freezing for some of our warm spots, but they really will drop below freezing for our colder areas. And with those breezy winds, we're going to see wind chill values dip. So you can see in the Sacramento Mountains, we have some values forecasted of -5 degrees for some of those highest areas that will still see the breezy winds and that colder air. So yeah, we're looking at a very cool morning this morning. So here's a summary of the impacts. We're going to see some heavy snowfall accumulations for the Gila region and New Mexico boot heel. Those are likely. So hazardous driving is expected for those areas. Light accumulations are also possible in lower elevations west of the Continental Divide, so hazardous driving conditions will also be expected for those areas, and breezy winds and colder temperatures will lead to really cold wind chill values Tuesday morning, so the potential for pipe damage, power outages, and health issues in exposed or vulnerable pets, people, and plants are also of concern with those colder temps. And going into the later days of the week, we will see colder temperatures last. That cold air does kind of hang around, so we'll see colder temperatures then again early Wednesday morning and early Thursday morning. So thank you so much. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. shoot us a chat or an email, or find us on social media. We'll be keeping and posting up-to-date information on our social media, and please, visit our website or give us a call. We are 24/7 and we're here to answer questions. So again, thank you so much,